Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. Happy Friday. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. Give a moment to kids who lost their lives in Texas. Senseless. Let's make cucumber cocktails. Highball glass filled with ice. Cucumber, gin, fresh lemon or lime juice, simple syrup, soda, basil sprig. Let's make this drink. I'm gonna garnish with a cucumber first things first. So use a potato peeler and just boom. Get yourself a nice long cucumber swig. That will go in there. It's gonna look pretty. All right, set that to the side. Get your shaker. Folks, enjoy life. Life is sharp and fleeting, as you can see. We're gonna do 2 ounces of gin. Stick that in there. Set to the side. We're gonna do 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Set that to the side. It is, after all, our cucumber drink. My knife here. Chop off a couple of thick slices of cucumber. Just coarsely chopped. Gonna put that in there. Then we're gonna kind of muddle it to release juices. This is gonna infuse cucumber in this drink of ours. Nothing like a refreshing cucumber, gin, fruity cocktail on a hot summer day. That should do it. Don't overdo it. Ice. Then we're gonna give this a good shake. Usually about 15 seconds should do it. That should do it, folks. Now, since we muddled cucumber in there, get a strainer. I don't have a fancy strainer. I use my strainer here so that it catches the chunks of cucumber that we muddled out here. So just strain that into your glass. And then, folks, get the last bit in there. And then, folks, we are gonna top this up with some soda water or seltzer. Just give it a nice squeeze on it. Boom. And then a little mint sprig. We're gonna give it a quick stir. A friend of mine brought this from Dubai. Appreciate you, thank you. And there we go. Cucumber Collins. Let's try this drink. Oh, yummy. Woo! Refreshing. Gin, refreshing. Cucumber, refreshing. Simple syrup, fresh lemon juice. Wow. This is good. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for spending time with me. The senseless slaughter of kids should stop. Have a good week.